So why ZEISS, Steve?
It's the quality and the accuracy of ZEISS. They're well known for the accuracy, very good product.
In fact, you have a passion to be pioneers. Can you elaborate on that?
Yeah, that's right. I mean, innovation's always been at the heart of everything we do, and we're really lucky actually that we're owned by the ZEISS Foundation, so that allows us to actually put a large percentage of our revenues back into research and development and really drive the innovations not only now but into the future.
This is an impressive facility, but why is it so important to have a training facility?
The ZEISS product is a world-class product with the ability to measure down to very small tolerances. In order to get the best out of that product and improve productivity for the customer, then you definitely need a quality training course to enable you to look at all of the special attributes buying a ZEISS or buying into the ZEISS solution actually gives you.
Okay, so the Prismo in this showroom is our high-end CMM. We use this system for all of our gauge R&R capability studies. We run trials with this product. Basically, it's our sub-micron accurate CMM that we have within this facility.
It's been redeveloped and designed from the ground up using new technologies and new materials never found within CMMs before. It comes with the mass technology, which we can go into a little bit later. Mass technology giving it the ability to not only hold tactile sensors but also non-contact sensors of different types.
Is its portability one of the biggest advantages?
Yes, certainly. I mean, the system itself can be moved around quite easily. You simply set up the rotor table, you can obviously wheel the actual projector around and therefore position it in the correct position to get the best possible data.
But ZEISS have designed the Duramax for a shop floor environment. Why is this?
Purposely for efficiency gains. It's a very rugged shop floor machine built to last out of a composite thermal material. Temperature gradients from 18 to 30 degrees C in a measuring cube of 500 millimeters.
We have 5 machines at the moment and we are just about to add a 6th next month.
And for those interested in what it can actually measure to, the accuracy of it, do you know much about that?
Yeah, so this machine specs at 2.4 microns. For its volumetric accuracy, that's in accordance with the ISO specification. So that's a specification for the 500mm volume it works within. Obviously for the Reliance, we work in a very small part of that volume, so we can see typically around about a micron repeatability.